All right, welcome to Time Zone. That's right, teacher only day, and we thought of coming here instead. Check out these guys. This is what they see. Oh, I love this one. Look at how they're going. They look ridiculous. All right, which one are you playing? Do you even know how to play that? No gambling. You hear me, Tiny? All right. Now that's what they're doing. Now, if you come here, I'll show you the others. Are you guys winning? Oh, shooting some dinosaurs. You look very serious. You want to continue? You want to continue now? You want to go on a different one? Go on something different. These guys are still here. Oh. Yeah, sorry, I'm coming. All right, which one? That one? Come on, that's a waste. Play a real game, man. There you go. Yeah. All right, which one? That one. You want to play that one? Why is everyone going for that, eh? Oh, I'll play this one with you. All right. So, is it 2 players or 1?
Choose a game.
Think you're gonna win this? Is it me? I'll press that. Oh, or do we need to scan it again? Hello. Yeah.
Now choose.
Which one are we doing? Which one are we doing? Mission select.
Mission select.
All right. Which one? Which one are we choosing?
Mission Ice.
Mission Ice. All right, cool. So, let me go and scan these guys quickly. Which one? Do it quick, cause they're gonna. Hey, don't take my game. Oh, it's all right. It's all right. I'll come and switch with me in a minute. I'm coming back. You hear me? You guys playing that? Yeah. Okay. So both of you are playing this one. What's that one? All right. So there's one here. Yeah. And then this one. Push that. Yeah. Good. So both of you are playing now. That's my game. You have to come off now. Do you hear me? It is my game. Yeah. Oh, this one. Do you even know how to play this one?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, can I come for my game now? Can I come for my game now? All right, cool. Thank you.